Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you really want to create AI voiceovers with ElevenLabs Pro without paying money. Don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you the only way to get 1 year of ElevenLabs Pro completely for free. All you need is a working promo code, and then you can enjoy ElevenLabs Pro whenever you want. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. So guys, the method is very simple, but this method only works when you use a phone. So the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open a browser. Then search for your couponbox.com without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're on the website, search for ElevenLabs Pro. Tap on it to open the page. Now let me explain this website real quick. From what I found out, this website gives out free code every day, but the codes are limited, and each code only works one time. So once someone redeems a code, nobody else can use that same code again, which means not everyone can get one. My friend showed me this yesterday. I tried it, and it worked for me. So I thought a lot of you would want to try it too. That's why I made this video for you guys as soon as possible. So if you want to try it, hurry up and check if there's still a code available. Now to get the code, just press the Show Coupon Code button. It may ask you to complete a few quick steps before showing the code. Just follow the instructions to complete the steps. Once you get the code, just copy and redeem the code to claim 1 free year of ElevenLabs Pro. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.